Welcome to this computer-based training module. The module will introduce you to the fuel filter replacement procedure. It shows the course objectives and the topics covered in this module. Function of fuel filter. Fuel filter is used to ensure the supply of clean fuel to engine through fuel system. Clean fuel avoids the blockage of fuel injectors and other components of fuel delivery system. It restricts the entry of foreign particles such as dust to engine combustion chamber and avoids damage to engine. The fuel filter should be replaced at the recommended interval given in the periodic maintenance schedule. Location of fuel filter in petrol vehicles. In petrol vehicles, fuel filter is generally located under the vehicle near the fuel tank, or under the hood in engine room, or in the fuel tank. Location of fuel filter in diesel vehicles. In diesel vehicles, fuel filter is generally located under the hood in engine room. Two types of filters are used in Maruti Suzuki diesel vehicles, Type A and Type B. Let us examine replacement of fuel filter in petrol vehicles. Releasing fuel pressure. Shift gear lever to neutral position. For automatic model, shift selector lever to P range. Set the parking brake. Remove fuse box cover and remove fuel pump relay from fuse box. Remove fuel filler cap in order to release fuel vapor pressure in fuel tank. And then reinstall it. Start engine and run it until engine stops for lack of fuel. Repeat cranking engine 2 to 3 times for about 3 seconds each time in order to remove fuel pressure in lines. Remove the battery negative terminal. Fuel filter in engine room or near the fuel tank. Locate the fuel filter on the vehicle. Lift the vehicle on 2-post lift if needed. Remove components such as canister to gain access to fuel filter. Remove clamps and hoses connected to the fuel filter. Remove fuel filter mounting bolts and fuel filter. Take new filter and install it on the vehicle. Fuel filter in the fuel tank. Gain access to the coupler of fuel pump assembly by lifting the rear seat of vehicle. If needed, remove the rear seat. Disconnect the coupler from fuel pump assembly. Lift the vehicle on 2-post lift. Remove fuel filler hose. Drain fuel tank by pumping fuel out through fuel tank filler. Use hand-operated pump to drain fuel tank. Remove breather hose. Disconnect both the fuel hoses from fuel pipes. Before disconnecting joints of fuel hoses, unlock joints by inserting special tool between pipe and joint lock. Loosen the mounting bolts of fuel tank. Support fuel tank with a jack. Remove the mounting bolts of fuel tank. Remove fuel tank from vehicle. Take the help of an assistant if needed. Disconnect fuel breather hose from fuel tank. Disconnect joint of fuel feed line from fuel pump. Before disconnecting the joint, unlock the joint by inserting special tool between pipe and joint lock. Remove fuel pump lock nut from fuel tank using special tool. Pull up the fuel pump assembly till it touches the fuel tank. Rotate the fuel pump assembly by 90 degrees. As shown, keep the direction of rotation with respect to fuel tank position. Pull up the fuel pump till it just touches the fuel tank. Rotate the fuel pump in anti-clockwise direction as shown. Again pull up the fuel pump and rotate it in the direction as shown. Remove the fuel pump from fuel tank. Clean thread portion of fuel tank. Install new fuel pump lock nut to the fuel tank and tighten it by hand temporarily. Without installation of lock nut, threaded portion of the tank may swell and can cause difficulty in reinstalling the lock nut. In spite of that, time taken in removal and reinstallation of fuel pump should be within 12 minutes. Disconnect the fuel level gauge coupler. Remove fuel level gauge wire from the clamps. Remove all the snap fits from the fuel pump assembly and remove the sub-tank as shown. Remove the snap fits of filter and fuel pump case. Remove the fuel filter. Disconnect fuel pump coupler. Remove fuel pump from its case. Remove O-ring from the fuel pump. Install new O-ring to the pump. Install the pump in its case and install its coupler. Do not reuse the O-ring removed from the fuel filter. Install new fuel filter to the pump assembly by aligning the filter hole on the pump inlet. Install the removed components like sub-tank, fuel level gauge wire to its clamps and its coupler in reverse order of removal. Remove new fuel pump lock nut which is temporarily installed to the fuel tank. Install new O-ring to the fuel tank. Insert the fuel pump assembly into the fuel tank in the reverse order of removal. Install new fuel pump lock nut to fuel tank and tighten it till the marks on the lock nut and fuel tank are aligned. Install the fuel tank to the vehicle. Take the help of an assistant if needed. Install fuel lines, breather hose and fuel filler hose in reverse order of removal. Connect negative terminal to battery. Install fuel pump relay to the fuse box and install fuse box cover. Start the vehicle to check the proper functioning of fuel pump. Check for any signs of leakage from fuel filter, fuel hoses and connections. Let us examine replacement of fuel filter in diesel vehicles. Disconnecting the fuel filter. Put ignition switch to off condition and install Suzuki diagnostic tool. Shift gear lever to neutral position. For automatic model, shift selector lever to P range. Set the parking brake. Start engine and let it run. Deactivate fuel pump with the help of Suzuki diagnostic tool and let engine stop for lack of fuel. Locate the fuel filter on the vehicle. Remove the components such as battery, battery tray or air cleaner assembly if necessary to gain access to fuel filter. In type A filter, place a suitable container under bleed screw. Drain out fuel by loosening the bleed screw. Disconnect fuel filter joints from fuel filter assembly. While disconnecting these joints, unlock the joints by special tool. Disconnect couplers from fuel filter assembly. Removal and installation of type A filter. Hold the filter in the bench vise using special tool. Using special tool, remove the fuel filter fastener by turning it anti-clockwise. Remove the filter cap along with filter element. Remove the O-ring. Remove the filter element from the filter cap and clean the filter cap. Align the marks on the new filter and filter cap for correct installation of filter. After aligning the marks, install the new filter to the filter cap by rotating it in clockwise direction. Drain the fuel from fuel filter case in a suitable container by loosening the bleeder screw. Clean the fuel filter case. Hold the filter case in benchwise using special tool. Install new O-ring. Install the filter cap along with filter to the filter case. Install the filter fastener to filter case by hand. Tighten it to the specified torque by using special tool. Mount the fuel filter assembly to the vehicle. Removal and installation of type B filter. Remove fuel filter mounting bolts and fuel filter. Remove water sensor fitted below filter and let fuel drain to a suitable container. Remove the filter and wipe the fuel filter case. Take new filter and O-ring. Install the new filter and O-ring to the fuel filter case securely. Install water sensor and O-ring to the bottom of new fuel filter. Install the fuel filter assembly to the body with the help of mounting bolt. Connecting the fuel filter. Connect the couplers to the fuel filter. Connect inlet and outlet hoses and install clamps securely. Install components removed to gain access to fuel filter such as battery and air cleaner case. Start vehicle and check for any sign of fuel leakage from fuel filter or hoses connections. Air bleeding of fuel system. Follow the following process to do the air bleeding of fuel system. Turn the ignition on to operate fuel pump for 5 seconds. Turn the ignition off. Repeat this process 6 times and then check that the engine starts. After starting the vehicle, check for any sign of fuel leakage from fuel filter or hoses connections.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.